Welcome to our video, where I will show you how to rev up your engine the natural way. Let's get into it, shall we? Looking to increase your sexual appetite? Look no further. We have 6 natural ways to get that spring back in your step. Lack of libido can be caused by several different things. Stress, nutritional deficiencies, hormone imbalance, to name a few. But there are many different ways to increase your sexual appetite without turning to medications that could have harmful side effects. Here are 6 ways to get that motor running. Number 1. Honey with cinnamon. Cinnamon contains stimulating properties that increase our body's heat, which greatly helps people with low libido problems. When paired with honey, which is rich in vitamins and minerals, this recipe can better improve our body's functions. Just take a tablespoon of honey and powdered cinnamon every morning. Number 2. Adding Peruvian apple to your smoothies. Smoothies are a great way to help our nutrient intake every day. If you're already drinking daily smoothies, just add Peruvian apple powder to help stimulate your libido. Peruvian apple powder contains both aphrodisiac and energetic properties that will mix into any flavor smoothie. Because of its properties, people with hypertension or nervousness should not consume Peruvian apple. Number 3. Ylang Ylang essential oil. Essential oils are widely used in sensual rituals to improve a couple's intimacy and can help treat several conditions. Ylang Ylang essential oil is considered to be one of the most aphrodisiac oils, along with vanilla, jasmine, cinnamon, or ginger. You can use these oils for sensual massages that help improve your partner's libido. Number 4. Adding ginger to your recipes. Just like cinnamon, ginger is a very stimulating spice. Because of this, it's ideal to improve libido in a natural and practical way. Just like the Peruvian apple, all you have to do is add ginger to your favorite recipes to increase the speed of metabolism and improve the blood flow to your sexual organs. Number 5. Laminaria. Laminaria, or deep sea tangle, is a seaweed that is rich in minerals, complex B vitamins, fiber, and protein. Laminaria's role is to provide the minerals that are essential to the body and increase sexual appetite. Number 6. Homeopathic remedies. Bach's flower remedies are used to treat emotional and psychological disorders. They are also often used to fight stress. To increase libido, some specific fragrances are recommended, such as walnut, wild rose, white chestnut, and olive. Bach's flower remedies treat libido as more of a psychological problem. So it's important to find a therapist that can listen to your specific case and prescribe whatever might be best for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.